Today, we're exploring delicious and nutritious snacks, healthy snack ideas under 100 calories. Snacking smartly can boost energy levels and curb cravings without derailing your health goals. Whether you're at home, work, or on the go, these snacks are perfect for satisfying hunger guilt-free. Join me as we discover creative and easy-to-make options that pack a punch in flavor and nutrition while keeping calories in check. Let's redefine snacking with these tasty and wholesome choices that support a balanced lifestyle. Stay tuned for a snack revolution. Today, we will talk about healthy snack ideas under 100 calories. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Snacking can be an important part of a balanced diet, providing energy between meals and helping to prevent overeating during main meals. Choosing snacks that are nutrient-dense and low in calories supports overall health and weight management goals. This guide offers a variety of delicious and satisfying snack ideas, each under 100 calories, to keep you energized and nourished throughout the day. 1. Importance of healthy snacking. Healthy snacking contributes to maintaining steady energy levels, supporting metabolism, and preventing excessive hunger that can lead to overeating later. Choosing snacks that are nutrient-dense, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helps satisfy hunger and provides essential nutrients without contributing to excessive calorie intake. 2. Nutrient-dense snack guidelines. When selecting snacks, aim for options that are low in calories. Snacks under 100 calories help maintain overall calorie balance. High in nutrients. Choose snacks rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Balanced. Include a mix of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats to promote satiety and sustained energy levels. Portion controlled. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. 3. Healthy snack ideas under 100 calories. Here are some nutritious and satisfying snack options that are under 100 calories per serving. Fruits and vegetables. 1 medium apple, 72 calories, a portable and fiber-rich snack that satisfies sweet cravings. 1 cup cucumber slices, 16 calories, refreshing and hydrating, perfect for a low-calorie snack. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 27 calories, packed with antioxidants and vitamins, ideal for a quick and nutritious bite. 1 medium carrot, 25 calories, crunchy and high in beta-carotene, great for snacking with hummus or yogurt dip. 1 cup sliced bell peppers, 24 calories, colorful and vitamin C rich, enjoyable with a light dressing or dip. 4. Tips for healthy snacking. To make the most of your snacks and support your health goals, consider the following tips. Plan ahead. Prepare snacks in advance or keep convenient options readily available to avoid unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day to maintain hydration and reduce the likelihood of mistaking thirst for hunger. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and satiety cues and avoid distracted eating to fully enjoy and appreciate your snacks. Read labels. Check nutrition labels for portion sizes and ingredients to make informed choices about packaged snacks. Mix and match. Combine food groups for balanced snacks, such as pairing fruit with nuts or vegetables with yogurt dip. Portion control. Use small bowls or containers to portion snacks and avoid mindless eating directly from large packages. 5. Benefits of low-calorie snacking. Incorporating low-calorie snacks into your diet offers several benefits. Weight management. Supports calorie control and prevents overeating during meals. Nutrient intake. Provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support overall health. Energy boost. Sustains energy levels between meals, enhancing productivity and concentration. Satiety. helps satisfy hunger and reduces the likelihood of unhealthy food cravings. Hydration. Many low-calorie snacks, such as fruits and vegetables, contribute to hydration due to their high water content. 6. Snacking for special diets. For individuals following specific dietary preferences or restrictions, there are numerous options for low-calorie snacks that align with various dietary patterns. Vegetarian and vegan. Choose plant-based snacks such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and plant-based yogurt or cheeses. Gluten-free. Opt for naturally gluten-free snacks like fruits, vegetables, rice cakes, popcorn, and gluten-free crackers with hummus or nut butter. Low carb. Select snacks lower in carbohydrates such as nuts, seeds, cheese, and non-starchy vegetables like cucumber or bell peppers. Diabetic friendly. Focus on snacks that are low in added sugars and carbohydrates such as fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt. 7. Snacking on the go for busy schedules or travel. Pack portable snacks that are easy to carry and consume without refrigeration. Trail mix. Combine nuts, seeds, and a small amount of dried fruit for a nutrient-dense and satisfying snack. Fruit. Choose portable options like apples, bananas, oranges, or grapes that require minimal preparation and packaging. Nut butter packets. Single-serving packets of almond butter or peanut butter pair well with fruit or whole grain crackers. Protein bars. Select low-calorie protein bars with balanced ingredients to satisfy hunger and provide sustained energy. 8. Healthy beverage options. In addition to snacks, beverages can contribute to overall hydration and provide additional nutrients. Infused water. Enhance water with slices of citrus fruits, berries, cucumber, or mint for refreshing hydration. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties, green tea is a calorie-free option for a warm beverage. Vegetable juice. Choose low-sodium vegetable juices for a nutrient-rich option that complements a snack or light meal. 9. Mindful snacking habits. Practice mindful eating habits to fully enjoy your snacks and support overall well-being. Savor flavors. Take time to appreciate the taste, texture, and aroma of your snacks. Eat without distractions. Avoid eating while distracted by screens or tasks to focus on the sensory experience of eating. Pause between bites. Put down utensils or snacks between bites to slow down and assess hunger and satiety cues. Practice gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for nourishing snacks and the opportunity to support your health and well-being. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.